This is your tutorial on how to find the surface area of a bullet or a bullet tank. You'll see these in refineries, and sometimes you see them holding propane and different things like that at gas stations or people's houses. And to find the surface area, that would be like if you were going to paint it or do something to the outside of it, you would need to use the lateral surface area of a cylinder, because that would be this middle part right in here is the lateral surface area, because we don't need the cylinder top and bottom. And then we would need to have the surface area of a sphere, because these two ends would make a sphere if you put them together. So let's fill in our equation. I know that it's 2 times pi, and then my radius here is going to be 6, because half of 12 is my diameter, would be 6. So that's 6, and then the height of my cylinder, of my tank would be, well, actually of my cylinder, because it's just this part right here, because I'm doing lateral surface area of a cylinder, is 28. Now I'm going to have to add that to my surface area of a sphere. And so that's going to be 4 times pi times my radius squared. So I'm going to have to put that in the calculator and see what I get. Okay, now let's put this in the calculator. I'm going to do 2 second housetop to get my pi. Uh-oh, let's clear that. We'll go 2 second to get my pi, and then times 6 times 28, and then I'm adding that to 4 pi times 6, and I'm going to hit my squared button, and then I hit enter, and then it gives me my answer. And so I know that it's 1,507.96 if I was going to round to hundredths, but if I'm going to round to tenths, this would round up, and that would change this to 1,508.0, and then this would be feet squared, because I am doing surface area. So that's how many feet squared I would need of paint or whatever it is that I'm going to put around my tank or my bullet.